And yes, I'm going to talk about cold weather oil and freezing airlines in a short sleeve shirt. Hi, Andy from Nail Gun Depot. It's very frustrating. You pull out your equipment first thing in the morning and it's so cold, as everyone says, their tools freeze up, their airlines freeze up. 9 times out of 10, it's actually the coupler that's actually freezing. You cannot get the moisture out of air. No Tox, a product we sell at Nail Gun Depot, works fantastic. We actually heard about it from other people, picked up on the product, and we've had no complaints. So No Tox is basically, quote unquote, antifreeze for your airlines and your tools. A little bit of antifreeze with a standard oil or a winter oil, just like the Senko PC 1295. You put that mix into your airlines and into your tools, and it'll stop that freezing up. The Roll Air lubricator, Lub 0375, works fantastic. You mix a little bit of the pink No Tox in with your standard winter oil, and that will flow through the airlines, which is adjustable with your lubricator, and that'll keep your crews moving in the winter.